How to get items on Temu. Hello everyone, this is Lisa from Create, Login and Delete. Now let's get started. Open your Temu app. Make sure you have already signed into your Temu account. You will land to the home page. At the bottom you'll find different options. Hit towards the option of view. Now hit towards the option of settings. Firstly, you will need to change your region or country to US. So open this option, country and region. Now from here select the option of United States and then go back to the main page of you. Now here you will see the option of on credits and free gifts. Open that option and over here you will find different options. At the very top you will find the option of free gifts. Open that option. From here you can pick up to 10 gifts. All you have to do is tap on the option of pick it. You will also be able to select the color and size and then tap on confirm the gift. After you select the gifts, you can tap on the option of confirm. Right now I will be just selecting one gift. Tap on I'm good. From here you can confirm your address. If you want to choose another address, you can tap on this option of choose another address and then tap on confirm address. Flip a card, see how much you can cut. You can tap on the option of pick it to any of these. I got off of $8.25 off. Now here you have to flip a card to decide price cut for your first referral. Select any of these. Again I got $12 off. Now tap on this option of copy link. After you copy the link, you can share it to your friends. Inviting friends to your Temu account will help you to receive free gifts. So this is how you can get free items on Temu. This was all for this video. If you guys find this video helpful, make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you.